Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA 35 4MATIC for sale. And we're going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features. And if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle, you can always reach out to us on our website. We'd love to answer any questions you may have or even set up a test drive. So this is the CLA 35 in the AMG version. So you're going to find AMG features throughout the vehicle, as well as the extra power that you would expect from an AMG engine. These nice sporty accent stitching, as well as just the seat style itself. Definitely a very, very sporty model here from Mercedes-Benz. So, hopping inside, we do have a push-button ignition. Mileage currently at 35,182. Another look here at our steering wheel. And we have a touchscreen display currently showing radio and backup camera. Below your display, we've got our climate controls here. Also have climate controls here within your menu system. Below that, we've got cup holders here, we've got USB connections, we've got our dynamic select switch here, so you'll switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. We've also got a touchpad here, which you can control the display with. You get your vehicle settings button there, some quick access functions, volume. And you also can affect how the vehicle performs with some functions here. It'll affect your transmission as well as traction control here. And our shifter. Alright, so we'll take a look at the rear seats. See again that nice accent stitching here as well. Rear seats. And look at that sunroof up there. And quick peek back up front. And we'll come around to the back. So we've got our AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and CLA 35 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. You also notice the rear camera actually stays hidden to protect it from the elements, so it'll not get scratched, and you always have a nice clear visual as you're backing up. So that is the 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA 35. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.